you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, girl. And today, I don't know what's on the agenda. I don't know what we finna do. But yesterday, we had went grocery shopping and we got some stuff for like tacos and nachos. So I really think I want to make some nachos today, but I don't know. Right now, my car is in the shop again because, like I was telling y'all, my door handle messed up after I had got it back from them, so they have to fix that now. I just really wanted to start the vlog off because I know I'm gonna end up doing something, very much something, you know. I just don't know what yet. I made myself some fruit. I'm about to like put on the TV right now and watch some YouTube videos while I edit. So that's the vibes, you know what I'm saying? I've really been into strawberries and pineapples. It's so good. These smart TVs, girl, they really be smart. It really be smart. Who I'ma watch? Who I'ma watch? Who I'ma watch? Who I'ma watch? I'm just so excited because look at me. Look at me. Jesus Christ, that's loud. Let's turn. I'm so excited. This is perfect, honestly. This is perfect. I'm so excited. Let's go to the ocean. Let's go outside. We can. We'll be chilling and having a good time. It doesn't matter if snow is falling. Okay, so my car, I can't think. My car is ready right now. So my mom is on her way to come get me. I think I'm gonna put my little scarf like this today and put it around like that because the wind, it really be whipping. Like literally whipping today. I need to sweep again. I honestly might get an iRobot and just have it come on like every week because it gets ridiculous in here. Like, I don't want to show y'all, but just know it's like fur balls in the corners and I don't like that. I'm low-key craving some nachos. It's like, girl, is it that cold? Low-key it is, but like low-key it ain't. Low-key it is, but low-key it ain't. You don't like lip gloss anyways.
Yes, I do.
You don't be wanting it to gloss up. You just want it to, you know what I mean? You just go and put a little tiny bit on.
That's all these are, a little tiny bit. I don't need to be gluing my lips together.
You ain't gonna glue your lips together. It gets glossy. Lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. Everybody stopping. They chase me after school. Mac, Gloria, give it the boop, boop, booty, beat, 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 beat. Back in my car. Hold on. Hello?
I cannot believe that I don't know your mother's address by heart.
Oh. Hi, do you guys have the Snickerdoodle hot chocolate?
I don't have the cinnamon dolce that we would usually use to make that one.
Okay. Well, I'll try the ice sugar cookie almond milk latte.
And you said ice, right?
Yes.
And what size did you want that one in?
A grande is fine. And then can I have light ice in it?
Okay.
Do you guys have any more grilled cheese sandwiches?
Give me one moment to check.
Okay.
Oh no, we are all out of the grilled cheese. I'm sorry.
I figured. Okay, well that's it then. Let me know what your favorite Starbucks drink is for the winter time. Like, I am curious to know what people like. I follow this person. His name is Bean Mylan on YouTube, and he had this like strawberry puree with chai tea latte and like all this extra stuff, and it seemed good, but I was just like, I want coffee. I was gonna try that, but I want coffee today. So let's see and stir it up a little bit. This do not taste like no daggone sugar cookie. It just tastes like a regular almond latte. It low-key tastes a little burnt though. Whatever they put in it tastes burnt. I'm very disappointed in Starbucks because usually I feel like their like holiday drinks are just way better than what they've been this year. Like, I'm just very disappointed. You know, whoever was making up the, you know, drinks or whatever was tired or something, but child, it was not hitting. And then you don't got the snickerdoodle hot chocolate. Like, nowhere has cinnamon dolce, like cinnamon dolce syrup. Why? Every time I come home, okay, I be keeping them in this room because this is my room, of course. Last time this was knocked over. This time they knocked this over. What is their obsession with like these little trees? Like, child, I am confused. There we go. But yeah, I like it better like this. So I took those books off it, you guys, because I took y'all's suggestions, you know. I actually take suggestions now, you know. But yeah, so then I just left this up and I left my coasters there too. So I like it way better. Let me go back so you can see like both sides. I feel like that's cute. Don't mind my crooked thing. It was probably one of them. But yeah, that's how it's looking. Bentley. I'll give you everything you need, baby. Watching Kayla's vlog. I just watched 2 of her vlogs that I missed, and this one I already saw. So let's go and watch somebody else's. Ooh, I have to go to the bathroom. This is what I do to myself. So I'll be almost finished with editing. So I'll be like, oh no, I can't go to the bathroom until I'm finished. Torture. That's what I've been doing, torturing myself. So you guys, so I just ordered one of, well, I got 2 things for Christmas that I got myself. I bought myself 2 things. One of them is a bag and the other one is like this dress from a Black owned business. So I'm super excited about it because I've seen so many girls look so fire in it and I'm like, I need it. It's at this point where, you know, you just, oh, I thought doing trash, but I just need it. Hi, Bentley. You wanna come say hello? Say hello to your aunties and uncles. Say hello to your aunties and uncles. My Mr. Sheddy man. Baby, that boy will shed his coat fast and in a hurry. Now that I just thought about it, I need to call them. Cooper. No, get off. Get off, Cooper. He be so mean sometimes. I be refereeing all day. I need to call them. That's what I need to do. Because it was saying like back ordered. And I know you freaking lying. It better not be back ordered. I love her intro. It's so cute. Look at the dogs.
A few moments later.
After getting off the phone with the lady, she said it might come before Christmas Eve or it might not. They just don't know. I ordered from Neiman Marcus. I'm really just praying that my gift comes here before then because this is like my gift to myself for accomplishing a lot this year. And it's like, if not, then it's like, do I get something else? Because I want it before Christmas. I want to open it on Christmas Day. So when I go to the mall again next week, so that way I can maybe get something else. And I also need to look for something else for my mother. But I'm hungry. I am very, very hungry. Oh, they are so cute. All right, so to make the best grilled cheese sandwich, this is what y'all need, okay? First, this is my tomato soup for my grilled cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese. And then if you want that like cheese pool, get pepper jack cheese, or you can get like a mozzarella cheese. Definitely need the butter. Use Smart Balance butter. I'm gonna use some garlic too, cause we love garlic. We love garlic. I hope it's not no mold on my bread. I think we're good. This is sourdough. Sourdough, that's what they use at Starbucks, the sourdough bread. It be hidden. What is this? Ooh, that got... Not it got mold on it. Alright, let's go.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know.
Look who's here, my man. What do you think you Mary J. Blige?
I'm the big fan.
Hey.
We'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, hey. Yeah, but I can see most of their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And